Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a reputable password manager and installing it now. Choose one with strong encryption and cross-platform sync, then create a dedicated email if you prefer separation. Once installed, open the app and select Create New Vault or Sign Up. Make sure to enable device backups and confirm where encrypted data will be stored. As you proceed, jot down a memorable passphrase for your master password, but do not store it digitally. Now move to adding credentials. Once done with installation, import passwords from browsers or CSV. If import isn't available, add your highest value accounts first: email, banking, and recovery. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication inside both the manager and each important account. Install the browser extension and mobile app, then test autofill on a login page. Organize entries with folders or tags, and configure secure sharing only when necessary. Finally, set a realistic auto-lock timeout so your vault locks when idle. The final steps are about resilience. Enable encrypted backups, cloud or local, and test recovery by restoring one non-critical account. You should write down and store the master recovery key offline and consider a hardware security key if supported. Make sure device sync and app versions are current and confirm your phone's time settings for two-factor codes. If something goes wrong, check credentials, app permissions, and network first. Then reauthorize devices or restore from backup. Keep your master passphrase safe and you're done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.